Hello, cyclists. Today is Saturday, April 23rd, 2022. Started the bike ride at 4 minutes after 9. Hopefully with the early start I get to see some other cyclists over on around Lake Houston. I'm riding the Cervella Caledonia Rival AXS bike. The weather, 76 degrees, partly cloudy. Wind is out of the south at 13 miles an hour with 21 mile an hour gusts. Just can't escape the wind. I'm headed to the south and to the east. Going to do typical Saturday ride. I'm going to check out the construction at Atascocita shores and FM 1960. Probably about 31 miles. As I said, the route today is going to be south through Atascocita to FM 1960, across Lake Houston to the east, Fair Lake Lane south, Old Atascocita Road east to FM 2100, then north on FM 2100, west on FM 1960, and then south through Walden, maybe. I'll have to be creative on that. I think. Riding southeast on Cedar Knolls Drive in Kings Forest, Kingwood. Feeling some headwind. I'm on my way to West Lake Houston Parkway to go south. Time is 9:31, 4.9 miles. Riding east alongside Kingwood Drive. Gonna go across bridge over Ben's Branch, I think it is. I'm at 6.9 miles. Time is 9:40. Nice new Ford Bronco 4-door in front of me. It says 2022. I'm at Town Center Park, Kingwood. Looks like a few people are setting up tents and booths. I'm at 7.1 miles. Time is 9:41. Still on my way to West Lake Houston Parkway. I'm at West Lake Houston Parkway and Kings River Drive. .2 miles. Time is 9:55. I'll stay on Kings River Drive until it connects with Atascocita shores, and that will take me to FM 1960, and we'll see how the road construction is going and whether I can go east over Lake Houston. Concrete has been poured at Atascocita shores, but it's there was a work crew, so I'm riding on the left side of the barriers. Looks like traffic is going to give me a break here. Okay. miles. Time is 8 minutes after 10. Average speed is 13.2 miles an hour. Two cyclists riding west. Oh, three. Over Lake Houston. I'm still riding east. Wind is strong from the right front quarter. Headed to Fair Lake Lane, where I'll turn right. Just past the church parking lot on Fair Lake Lane. No cars. Very unusual for a Saturday. I'm going into a headwind. I'm at 15.4 miles. Time is 16 after 10. Average speed is 13.4 miles an hour. I'm hoping when I get to FM 2100, change directions on the way back, Kingwood, with this headwind will be a nice tailwind. So far I've stayed in the 35-15 gear. I just turned left on the old Atascocita Road. I'm at 16.2 miles, so that's enough miles to make it a 200-mile week. At the beginning of the ride, I had 186 miles for the week. So this puts it at 202. Wind is the wind on Fair Lake Lane was hard headwind. It's not much better here. I'm riding east. Time is 21 minutes after 10. Average speed is 13.3 miles an hour. Here comes another cyclist. He'll be number 4 today. I'm still on old Atascocita Road, headed FM 2100. Strong wind from my right front quarter. I crossed FM 2100, went down about 1/10 of a mile. Come back. I'm riding north on FM 2100. On the shoulder, barrels to the left, wind from the at my back. Going to shift up to the 35-13. Now that my legs don't have to fight the headwind. Approaching FM 1960 and the railroad tracks in Huffman. I'll go across the tracks, turn right, go down, a couple hundred feet, make a U-turn, and then head west on FM 1960. Currently, I'm at 18.6 miles. Time is 10:31. Average speed is 13.4 miles an hour. Looks like they extended the sidewalk almost to the railroad tracks. That'd be nice. Crossing through East Lake Houston Parkway intersection on the way to the causeway over Lake Houston. 20.1 miles. Time is 10:37. Average speed is 13.6 miles an hour. I have a crosswind, but it's partially from my left rear quarter, so it's not as bad as a headwind. Not sure exactly how I'm going to handle the west side of Lake Houston at Atascocita Shores. My first inclination is to go to the eastbound shoulder behind the barriers and ride to Atascocita Shores and then play it by ear. I was looking ahead and not behind. Those two cyclists passed me. Wind is hard from the left side. That makes a total of 6 cyclists that I've seen today. .0 miles. Time is 10:40 a.m. Average speed is 13.7 miles an hour. I made the decision. I moved over to the eastbound shoulder. I'm behind the barriers. Go down here and check out what I can do. Looks like they're doing some dirt removal. I may have to wait a few minutes while they rearrange. I'm at 22.2 miles. Time is 10:45 a.m. 13.7 miles an hour average speed. Looks like there's a nice solid concrete to get me to the filling station entrance. Works out good. I'll be able to loop through Walden. Riding west on Pinehurst Trail Drive, north of FM 1960 in Atascocita, on my way to West Lake Houston Parkway. Go across San Jacinto River, back into Kingwood proper. I'm at 25.3 miles. Time is 10:59. Average speed is 13.7 miles an hour. The wind has been a bear today. Riding alongside, parallel to Westlake Houston Parkway. I'm going to turn right onto Kings Crossing. This is a easier way to cross Kingwood Drive going this direction. I'm at 29.2 miles times 11:16. Average speed is 13.6 miles an hour.